To the story now of residents in Brighton District, St. Elizabeth. While well-needed aid has arrived, concern is mounting about the rising water in the area as well as the stench that has come with it.
This is not a safari ride to go sightseeing, nor is it a ride to go catch fish with friends. This is the new reality for the residents of Brighton District, their new form of transportation. And with all indication, this may be the reality for a while. A modern pilgrim band. That's what they've become in Brighton District, Santa Cruz. 2 weeks since the hurricane, the water hasn't gone anywhere, and neither have they. A bird's eye view reveals the scale of it all, water stretching in every direction.
Right now over there, so down to the ancestors, them are flood out. Right now, pure water, can't manage it at all.
Bad, sick, tired, stressed. I sleep at that floor, everywhere I can't get to sleep.
Marcia Hyman stands before her shop, now a pool of floating memories, recounting all that was lost.
$50,000 for me, no, Mama.
And that's just one.
What's 112 of them? 4 rami and 8 mother goat. That's a lot of things. Anything you care, come and accept it. Anything I get, I'll accept it. I'm willing to start over.
The stagnant water, also a breeding ground for mosquitoes.
As a night time we are in bed, you can hear must sing our ears. And then before they are picking them, I have to lick all mosquitoes from them by destroy and so. So I like to destroy from early, and make it go and burn out in the house to be still outside.
The residents admit that they have been receiving aid from the authorities. However, they just want the water to recede. Until such time, hope floats in their boats. Some even choose to wade through the uncertain waters, while people like Craig Stewart are prepared to travel via motorcycle, but the water is still too high.
First, me come back up, me have to turn back. Since I come back, me turn back. Me want to use much water. Well, me have to just run chance and just tell myself, anyway, shit up, me just should be funny, so. Then me can't turn the water start, you know, but start to you know what I mean, crank.
And despite the hardships, their faith remains unshaken.
Come like a blessing, you know. Like God knows the storm will come, so you just send a boat with it. So from ever since between the storm we find it, we just go and operate it. We just use it and help each other throughout the community.
We have to thank God, you know, and pray to God, you know, and go on, you know. We can't just take it and just put it on your head, so, you know, because you're mad. You have to thank the Lord and move on.
Aliyah Bryant, TVJ News.